Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare Wealthsimple Cash and PayPal in Canada and find out which is the best free payment app. If you're looking for the best free payment app in Canada, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Like Cash App, Wealthsimple has many financial tools inside one app. On the investing side, users can invest in cryptocurrencies, stocks, ETFs, or use a robo-advisor. On the payment side, Wealthsimple Cash lets you send money instantly to other Canadians. While the Cash App has the $cash tag, Wealthsimple Cash has a $ username where you can easily send funds to other Canadians. Wealthsimple also has a no annual fee Visa debit card called the Wealthsimple Cash Card. It lets you can earn 1% back paid in cash, crypto, or stocks, your choice. With all these features, Wealthsimple is the best Cash App alternative for Canadians and has over 2.5 million clients. There are many pros of Wealthsimple, like it's very easy to use, you can send money instantly to other Canadians for free. There are many investing tools. There are very low fees or zero fees on most products. And it's highly secure, owned by a publicly traded company. But there are also some cons, like it can't send or receive money outside of Canada. It also deals in only one currency, CAD. It has high fees for crypto and US stock purchases, and it still doesn't have as many features as Cash App. Talking about PayPal, you can send and request money through PayPal with just an email address or a phone number. PayPal is widely used in the United States, Canada, and other countries, with more than 300 million clients worldwide. Sending money to friends and family in Canada is free, but receiving and exchanging foreign currencies, such as US dollars, incurs high fees. It is particularly expensive to convert USD to CAD. If you'd like to send or receive money from your American friends, there is a good chance that they already have a PayPal account. PayPal is a convenient option for that, but I use it only as a last resort due to their high fees. You can send and receive payments from many countries. 300 million people, including many Americans, already use PayPal, making it easier to receive funds from them. But the drawback of PayPal is that there are expensive currency conversion fees, and it charges you high fees overall. That was a basic overview comparison between Wealthsimple and PayPal in Canada. With this in mind, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.